My favorite teacher. Parents bring up their children and the teachers form their characters. It is the teacher who makes doctors and engineers. The role of teacher is very important. Prophets and saints all were teachers. They are the builders of nation. They are guides. We should give them due respect. Teaching is the profession of prophets. I have many teachers, but Akhtar Awan is my favorite teacher. I got a chance to meet him when I was qualified for ninth class. He is our English teacher. He is loving, smart, and hard working. He is also well dressed. That is why he always impressed us. His way of teaching is very effective. He delivers his lecture in such an impressive way that we do not hear the bell. Moreover, he is the man of principles. He is devoted teacher too. His way of talking, his manners, and his discipline is well known. He has a good reputation in his locality. Everybody respects him. He is honest to his profession. He is sincere to his students. He loves his students and all the students respect him. He helps the needy. I proud my teacher. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.